Ah, yes. Well, Marty's beer show. But today we are looking at, can you make beer with jelly? Or can you make jelly with beer? Now, this is what keeps me up at night sometimes, so I've decided, let's give it a fucking red hot go. Now, I've decided to make it out of Corona, because when I went to the shops, I got this aeroplane jelly, and it's lime flavoured, and usually you bung a fucking lime in your Coronas, so thought, oh, why not? We'll give it a bit of lime flavoured jelly and Corona. So what I've done, I've prepared this bit earlier. Here's a bit of a video of me prepping. I have boiled up one bottle of Corona. Now, in the directions, empty contents of sachet into a bowl with 1.5 cups, 375 mils of boiling water. Now, if we just cross that out and make it beer, and I'm done. So this was just boiling just before I started. It didn't fucking really smell that good. Anyways, we'll get one of these packets of sachet. 30% less sugar, which is also a good thing to do. Now, when I'm making my beer jelly, I usually this is usually the way I do it. So what you do, get your fucking packet of this shit, and now you can just buy normal gelatin, but I didn't, because I saw this one and it reminded me of my childhood. So what you want to do is you want to get your spoon and just stir it up. So yeah. Now instantly that smells way better. Now I've all probably made jelly, vodka jelly shots and all that. Boil the water and then you just bung like 7 bottles of vodka in it and like get drunk for dessert. But I thought, let's try it with beer and see how we go. So basically, you gotta use hot boiling water so that the gelatin crystals will dissolve. Now, that's about it. So, and then the rest, to make the more of it, you put another bottle of your desired Mexican beer, but cold this time. Once that's dissolved, which I'm quite happy with that, bung in some of this, just pure science. Now you can't see that from there, but I can, and looks just like as you would imagine it would to look. Put these back up. Righto, so give that a wee bit of a stir, and then you get yourself a bowl like this. Pretty much exactly like this one. And I'll try not to spill this shit everywhere because it's fucking going to be a sticky mess. But let's just fucking go like that. Oh, look at that absolute beautiful colour. That is just what dreams are made of. And there you have it. Now, what I have to go do is stick this in the fridge for give or take 3 or 4 hours. So, unless you guys want to stay here and watch me for that, I won't, but the power of my editing skills will come back in that time. So, boom, and there we go. That's been about 3 or 4 hours chilling, sitting in the fridge. Did have to kill a bit of time, but there we go. So what we've got is a bowl of wibbly wobbly Corona and natural lime flavoured jelly. Now let's fucking just have to see if this worked. Now it did set. I was a bit worried that it wouldn't set because it actually says on the label, do not add fresh pineapple, kiwi fruit or pawpaw as the jelly will not set. So I was thinking maybe there might be some factors involved in jelly not setting, but how about we just stop fucking babbling on about and let's see if it's any good. Marty's Science Hour. Now it smells like jelly. Fuck me, that's that's actually pretty good. Now, I did get 30% less sugar one, so it'd be less sweeter, but It's still pretty sweet. Does taste like Corona. Tastes like lime. But more importantly, it worked. I wouldn't have thought it didn't work. So there you go. Can you make jelly with beer? Yes, you can. Should you? Fuck it, why not? Find yourself a nice something like that, or like a crafty, like a fruitier beer. Something like you can maybe try a sour. Haven't got any examples. Maybe one of these fruity sort of beers. Maybe try. There's plenty of different types of jelly flavors, or even just get plain stuff. I don't know. Fuck it. It depends where you are. If you're in lockdown or you can't do anything else, go fucking be crafty. Make something and get in the kitchen. Make jelly. Thanks for watching my show. Check them all out. There's other ones without jelly. There's probably other ones with jelly. No, there's not. But fuck yeah. Thanks for watching Marty's Beer Show. Go make some jelly.